Hi guys, I'm just jumping on here to explain a wee bit about Cuach Na Cloinne 2021. To sign up, you simply put in your email address to Google Forms and you'll receive registration confirmation from FC Sonus. FC Sonus will share more information to your inbox that will build up to each session. Finally, on the date and time of each session, you'll receive a link to your inbox from FC Sonus. This link can be used at any time and the sessions are in a TV format, so you just have to sit back and view at your own leisure. The sessions are split into two parts, the facilitator and the player. The player sessions are appropriate for kids in Boonskol, or I should say primary school and high school, while as the facilitator sessions are more appropriate for slightly older kids and teachers, coaches, or anyone that's a part of using football as a tool to engage with young people. So I hope that answers some questions and I look forward to seeing you all there.